If you are still selling AI chatbots for your clients, then this video is for you. I'm gonna share 4 biggest challenges with building AI chatbots and why I offer to my clients much more than that. First challenge is easy to build. Let's imagine that you're a great cook and just made the best steak in the town. Everyone loved it, but soon everyone started doing the same steak and exactly as you do this. And it's not your special dish anymore. Same thing happens when making chatbots becomes too easy. If everyone starts cooking the same chatbot, what is special about you? How do you stay ahead of this culinary competition? Next challenge is business doesn't need more leads. So we cooked a great steak. Think about the people who just smells it, give it a compliment, but never order this. That's like exactly what we do when we generate a lot of leads for business. There are people that show their interest but never actually sit down or order it. It's like cooking a wonderful steak, but no one actually enjoy this. But you want more people to experience with your steak, right? Next challenge is search new client trap. Visualize this. You cooked the great steak for your client. They tasted it, they paid, and then what happened then? You're staying alone in the square. And what do you want to do? You're searching for new clients to taste your steak, right? Cooking great steak for new customers would be very good for you, but wouldn't be more fulfillment if you have returning clients? And that's what my goal is. Long-term clients that I can consistently deliver the value for them. And it's like forming loyal clients for your steak. Next challenge is hard to productize. Imagine every single client who comes to taste your steak wants a different side dish. Someone wants fries, someone wants mashed potato, and someone wants some special salad. It's like starting from scratch every single time. And for you as an owner, it will be hard to delegate this, to explain what client needs to your employees, as well as test this in the end. The same thing happens here with building AI chatbots and automation. Each client has different setup, different tools, different CRMs they use, meaning that every single time you get a new client, you have to investigate the processes, what tools they use, and very often you will find something new that you have to dive into documentation and learn the new tool for you. So it adds extra challenges to our journey, and for us as the owners it would be very hard to decide what's going on and how to scale it. And now imagine offering the meal that everyone would like with adding everything: fries, salad, and maybe some dessert. People will extra pay for this. Instead of crafting sides individually, you have your own menu, you have your own service to fulfill. For this great meal, people would willing to overpay. And that's what exactly I've done on this video, so check it out after this. This video, what you're watching right now, will help you to understand the way how I close it and the way what I offer and why. So I offer a full service solution, not just generating a leads, but I generate qualified meetings. Meaning that my clients doesn't spend time on the not qualified leads, only that people who are pre-qualified and ready to work ASAP. So let's break down my offer into 4 parts. First part is creating new landing pages, social media / paid ad automations, schedule meeting for them. Let's start from creating new landing page. So with real estate companies often do a lot of things: buying, selling, and probably property management as well. Very often issue is that they're talking to everyone about everything. Problem with this, when business run, they add about selling the property. Someone who wants to sell the property goes to their website and see they're talking about a property management, and viewer gets confused and just goes away. The next part of my offer is social media paid ads. As I said before, the very big problem is their landing pages because they are talking about everything to everyone. Often I see real estate companies doesn't run ads because it doesn't work, and it sounds funny for me. When I check their past ad, it looks terrible. All of these creepy graphics and cheap stock videos. And I tell them that organic videos work the best, and I write them a script and telling the owner, hey, say this in the camera on your iPhone, nothing special, just make sure that a light goes on your face and that's it, and tell this what I wrote to you. Next part of my offer is automations. I use Go High Level to build capturing, qualification, and nurturing. So for qualification, I ask additional question to make sure that this lead is good for be scheduled. For nurturing, we are creating useful content with ChatGPT and just share this to our warm leads saying, hey, if you consider to sell, this pro tips how to prepare your property to sell or something like that. And the most important part of our offer is schedule meetings. And this is the final goal of our offer. So make sure that lead is qualified and that's ready to schedule a meeting. And then I send all of this data to our client sales team. If there is only one key takeaway from this video, and it's this: always focus on solving the end problem. As I said a ton of times, business doesn't need more leads, they need more sales. And it's like our juicy steak. Business don't want that people come and smell it. Business wants people purchase it and to give back. I understand that lead generation is only one step, so my ultimate goal is to convert these leads to the customers and take responsibility for this. And clients are happy to overpay for such service because there are not much agencies that do this. Do you want more about Go High Level implementation? Find the link to my Discord community. I will answer all the questions there. This video next, how I close $5,000 client live.